Alright, what's up YouTubers? Finally back home. Had to go to GameStop pick up something today. What did I pick up? You're about to find out. I picked up a PlayStation Network card. Yep. Oh, and Infamous 2 Hero Edition. That came with the poster. Oh, there's the poster. So sweet. So sweet. And now the game itself. So let's do this. No, I hate tape so bad. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, got it. Or what I thought I had. Alright, there we go. As soon as you take it out like that, first thing we have is the sling pack. There it is. I'll put that on here in a minute to show y'all. Then we just got some crap. And then, cool. McGraw action figure. That is tight. What else we got? Comic book and the game. So let's get the game going. There is my Uncharted 3. Here's my Infamous 2. There's just a little comic book, and boom, there you go. So let me try the sling pack one. See how it fits. Yep. Boom. There it is. Thanks for watching, guys.